Watching CKWS News at Noon on Global Kingston.
Good to see you on this Monday afternoon. The weekend started off great. Hopefully you had a great weekend. And then we had some rain to deal with on Sunday. You're going to have to get used to it. We're dealing with some rain for a couple of days here. Today, a risk of thunder showers as well throughout parts of the region. We'll climb to 17 degrees. We're also dealing with some wind as well, and the risk of thunder showers throughout the region today. And as far as our futurecast images are concerned, yeah, it looks like we'll be dealing with that rain intermittently throughout the day and into the overnight hours, even maybe a little bit tomorrow evening it looks like. So yeah, you're going to want to keep your umbrella handy. Belleville, good afternoon to you. 17 degrees today and tomorrow. A risk of thunder showers for you today. We could see up to 5 millimeters of rain today, and the same for tomorrow and by Wednesday. A little bit of sunshine, but mostly cloudy, climbing to 15 degrees. And good afternoon to Brockville. 17 for you today with the risk of thunder showers. 16 degrees tomorrow, and an even cooler Wednesday, just getting to 13 degrees with a chance of a light rain, but the risk of thunder showers for you today, Brockville. For Smiths Falls, a risk of thunder showers as well as you climb to 17 degrees, 2 to 4 millimeters of rain expected. Tomorrow, 16 degrees and a much cooler Wednesday for you. Not a whole lot of sunshine, in fact, mostly cloudy at this point, and getting to just 12 degrees. Here's how Kingston's next 5 days are looking. 17 degrees both today and tomorrow. That is the average high for this time of year, and up to 5 millimeters of rain with the risk of thunder showers today and some windy conditions. 5 to 10 millimeters of rain tomorrow. 14 for Wednesday and Thursday. A little bit of sunshine for Wednesday, but a chance of a light rain. A mix of sun and clouds for Thursday. And then we're going to end the week, it looks like, with a whole bunch of sunshine climbing to 16 degrees. Note the sun setting before 7 p.m. these days.
Our full forecast is brought to you by Dory and Jesse Insurance Brokers. Car, home, and business insurance. Let us find you the value you deserve.
Some more rain tonight, even the risk of thunderstorms. We could see that probability redevelop in the morning, too. Yeah, another low pushing through, troughing. Cooler air is going to move in backing this, and we're going to see temperatures drop significantly. And that sunshine is going to stick around thanks to a very strong area of high pressure that's developing and moving into the Great Lakes very soon. And now that Fiona's gone, we'll be taking a quick look at Hurricane Ian, which shouldn't be an issue for us here in Canada. It's going to be more of an issue for the Florida Panhandle. 17 seemed to be the magic number for daytime highs, and you know what? That is your seasonal average now. From Oshawa to Brockville, or Smiths Falls, 17. We had an 18 in Ottawa, and just below it's 16 in Toronto today. So everybody kind of in the same area, seasonal. South-southwest winds gusting to nearly 40 kilometers per hour, reported at the top of the hour. We have 68% relative humidity, and there's more showers yet to come. 17 millimeters as a result of last night and the showers we had through the day today. The heavier stuff was today, and it's not over yet. Don't let that little patch of blue sky you saw this evening fool you, because there's a little more moving in. Here's the low finishing with us. We're just sort of seeing that center of the low pass over us, but right in behind it there's still more troughing. It's not a very hard cold front, but as these two lows continue to track northeast, bringing rain to it, Atlantic Canada, like they need more rain after Fiona. We will find that troughing gets a little more concrete, a little stronger, thanks to this higher pressure coming through. It will turn into a true cold front, and that's going to bring temperatures down, daytime highs in the mid to low teens for a couple days. But that high pressure, as it stays with us and keeps those skies clear, it's going to allow a lot of that sunshine to sort of warm things up a bit. We'll be up to at least seasonal throughout the region again, and not these 13, 14 daytime highs. So this is where we are now. See this sort of little comma shapes here? That's because the low, the center of the low, is right there. And watch it rotate and spin away. As it does, and the bulk of the shower and the risk of thunderstorms you see tonight moves out, we're still going to see that wrapping around and that troughing through the day tomorrow. 60-70% probability of showers right through Wednesday until Wednesday night. Then we'll start to see some clearing. And when it does, count on a nice sunny stretch. So yes, Fiona's out of the way now, but we're taking a good look at Ian now. Category 2, bumping up to Category 3 overnight, and then up to a Category 4 by Tuesday afternoon. Picking up all that warm, moist air out of the Gulf of Mexico, it really strengthens. Just before it makes landfall on the Panhandle, it's down to Category 3, and just as it starts to grind its way up along the Gulf Coast of Florida, it drops to Category 1. Still quite strong, 165 kilometer per hour winds to 185. It depends on where those are the gusts. As it moves through the bay, Tampa Bay is going to get hit hard because you're going to get a lot of storm surge, and they could see a storm surge of about 8 feet. That's not waves. The waves are in excess of that. Storm surge means 8 feet of flooding along the shore. As it starts to move north and out of Florida, it gets down to tropical storm status, and as it heads for the Carolinas, post-tropical, just a strong low pressure system with about 45 kilometer per hour winds. But yeah, the Gulf Coast of Florida bracing themselves now. 17 for a high tomorrow as the chance of showers continues. Belleville, 15 for a high Wednesday. Cloudy conditions. We will see some evening clearing and a little cooler too. Thursday, only high 14 and sunny skies. Brockville, a good 80% chance of showers, risk of thunderstorms through the afternoon. Tomorrow for Wednesday, up to 13, 40% chance of a shower through the first half of your day. Clearing overnight, mainly sunny Thursday with a high 13. And Smiths Falls also looking at pretty good chance of showers through the day tomorrow. A 30% probability through the morning and early afternoon on Wednesday. And then clearing overnight with sunshine Thursday and a high of 13. Kingston, your 5-day forecast, a high of 17 tomorrow. The chance of showers and thunderstorms continues through the evening and overnight. And then a 70% to 80% probability tomorrow. Wednesday up to 14, a good chance of showers again, but we hope to see some clearing overnight. Thursday and Friday, lots of sunshine, and look at that. Even though we take a dip in temperatures over Wednesday and Thursday, they start to climb again. By Saturday, mainly sunny and a high of 18, which is just a notch above your seasonal average. Now your weather wallpaper. A couple pictures from Ashley Asselstein of Stone Mills. Can you find the frog?
Yes.
Can you see the frog? There he is. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Here's a nice close-up. Look at all those pretty greens in this photo. I just love this. It's so bright and vibrant. Great shot. Nice little shot down by the river in Stone Mills. Thanks a lot, Ashley, for sending in your picture. If you've got pictures, share them just like Ashley did at submissions@ckwstv.com.
We were talking about this last week, Bill. The turtles wanting to dive and burrow into the mud for the winter, and obviously this frog hasn't done that yet.
Not yet, no.
It was a nice part of the weekend anyway. Saturday, lovely day.
Yep.
When it comes to hurricanes, this has become a very active hurricane season. I know August was off to a slow start, but it's really picked up this month, Bill.
Yes, it has. And some people ask me, we went from Fiona, and we jumped right to Ian, and the only reason for that is because G and H were inconsequential, smaller tropical storms that were out in the Atlantic.
Oh.
So they named them, strong enough to be named, but not really an issue in making landfall. So we skip right over there and focus on the ones that pose a threat, and that is Ian now.
Ian's the next one. I know you're going to keep an eye on that in the days ahead. All right, Bill, and we will get you back here with a 7-day forecast a little bit later. Thank you. Peek ahead to October in the long-range forecast, Bill.
Yes, we've still got some showers and even the risk of thunderstorms tonight. Looks like that probability will continue tomorrow, 70 to 80% probability through the region, a high of 16. There is that risk of thunderstorms in the afternoon as well. Wednesday, mostly cloudy, still a lingering 30% chance of showers through the morning, but we hope by the afternoon that'll stop, and by evening we'll start to see some clearing. Mix of sun and cloud. Thursday, a little cooler, 13 for a high, but as we approach the weekend, things are getting better, as high as 18 by Saturday. Even more sunshine over Sunday and Monday, with temperatures taking a slight dip to about 16 Celsius for daytime highs.
All right, looking good. Time to check the results of our week.
You're watching CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston.
Your full forecast is brought to you by Dory and Jesse Insurance Brokers. Car, home, and business insurance. Let us find you the value you deserve.
Already in the double digits for millimeters in rain accumulation, and yeah, we're still seeing showers and thunderstorms pushing through tonight. Again tomorrow, the chance of showers as another low pushes through. We see some troughing right in behind it too, and a little wraparound from these two lows that continue to move to the northeast. Atlantic Canada, who got hit with Fiona, getting even more rain like they need it. High pressure moving in behind this system out of the northwest, bringing in some much cooler air. And this high It's really going to grow in strength as it settles in to the upper Great Lakes, and it's going to dig in like a tick on a dog's back. It's not going to move for a few days. You're going to get a nice little sunny stretch, and temperatures might actually start to come back up to seasonal level. They'll dip for a couple days. Belleville over Wednesday and Thursday only getting up to about 14 degrees in your overnight lows of 4 Celsius. So I wouldn't be surprised to see some patchy frost, especially areas north of Belleville. 17 tomorrow, though, and you've got that good chance of showers and thunderstorms. Brockville, good chance of showers, risk of thunderstorms through the afternoon tomorrow with a high 16, only up to 13 Wednesday with a 40% chance of showers the first half of your day, hoping for some clearing overnight. Thursday, it's mainly sunny with a high of 13. Smiths Falls up to 17 tomorrow, 70% chance of showers, risk of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Wednesday, up to 13 and a 30% chance of showers. Thursday, mainly sunny and a high of 13. Kingston, your long-range forecast. Yeah, showers and thunderstorms tonight. We'll see the probability continue to more with that probability of thunderstorms again in the afternoon. Wednesday up to 14 degrees, mostly cloudy, and there is that 30% chance of showers through the morning. We hope to see clearing by the evening. Thursday, a mix of sun and cloud, still cool, a high 13, but warming up over Friday, sunshine and 17 up to 18 Saturday. As the sunshine continues, more sunshine Sunday and Monday, and temperatures start to slip a little.